This is going to be a video tutorial on how to run browser extensions while in incognito mode using the Arc web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Arc web browser opened up now. To set up your extensions to run even if you're in incognito mode, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper left hand corner, up to where you see the little Arc logo. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says extensions and place your mouse cursor over extensions. Then you'll slide straight off to the right and you want to click on manage extensions. Now in the new window that pops up here, in the center pane here, you'll see the extensions you have for your browser. Say that I wanted to run ad block even if I'm in incognito mode. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the extension is toggled on. Then the next thing you want to do is click on details. Then right down here, allow in incognito. You want to toggle this on right here. Now my ad block extension will run even if I'm in an incognito window. Thanks for watching.